Ejaculation and orgasm. What is the difference?
The difference between ejaculation and orgasm is a really interesting one because they are often experienced together, especially by men. But they are actually distinct processes with different functions and mechanisms. Let's break it down. Ejaculation.
What it is?
Ejaculation is a physical process. It refers to the expulsion of semen from the penis.
What happens physically?
It's a reflex action involving a coordinated series of muscular contractions. These contractions occur in the vas deferens to transport sperm from the testicles, the seminal vesicles and prostate gland to add fluid to the sperm, creating semen, the muscles at the base of the penis to propel the semen out through the urethra.
Purpose.
The primary biological purpose of ejaculation is reproduction. It delivers sperm into the female reproductive tract, increasing the chances of fertilization.
Can you have ejaculation without orgasm?
Yes, technically. While less common, it is possible to have ejaculation without experiencing the subjective feeling of orgasm. This might occur in certain medical conditions or with specific types of stimulation.
Is ejaculation necessary for orgasm?
No. This is a key point. Ejaculation is not required to experience orgasm.
Orgasm.
What it is?
Orgasm is a subjective experience. It's the peak of sexual excitement and pleasure. It's a complex phenomenon involving intense feelings of pleasure and euphoria, physical sensations throughout the body, including muscle contractions, though different and broader than those involved in ejaculation, psychological and emotional release.
What happens physically?
Orgasm is largely a neurological and hormonal event happening in the brain and nervous system. It involves the release of neurotransmitters like dopamine and oxytocin, which are associated with pleasure and bonding. While there are physical manifestations, muscle tension release, increased heart rate, the core experience is in the brain.
Purpose.
The purpose of orgasm is less strictly defined by biological reproduction, though it can encourage behaviors that lead to reproduction. Possible purposes include reinforcing sexual behavior. The pleasurable feeling encourages repeated sexual activity. Pair bonding. Hormones released during orgasm, like oxytocin, can promote feelings of attachment and intimacy. Stress reduction and mood elevation. Orgasm can have positive effects on mood and well-being.
Can you have orgasm without ejaculation?
Yes, absolutely. Dry orgasm. This is a common term for orgasm without ejaculation, often experienced by women, but also possible for men. Retrograde ejaculation. In some cases, semen might be directed into the bladder instead of out of the penis during orgasm, resulting in orgasm without visible ejaculation. Female orgasm. Women experience orgasm entirely separately from ejaculation, as they do not ejaculate semen in the same way men do. Some women do experience female ejaculation, but this is a different phenomenon and not directly analogous to male ejaculation. Here's an analogy to help understand the difference. Imagine a car journey. Ejaculation is like delivering cargo, semen, to a specific destination, female reproductive tract. It's the physical act of transportation and delivery. Orgasm is like the feeling of satisfaction and exhilaration at the end of the journey. It's the pleasurable feeling of reaching the peak experience, regardless of whether you delivered cargo or not. Think of it this way: ejaculation is what your body does at sexual climax, while orgasm is what your mind experiences.